Oi, oi! Welcome to Cook and Vibe, people. My name is M.R. and this is Cook and Vibe and this is season 11. If you're a new subscriber, if you're a new fan, welcome to the channel. Today, people, today is a short one, but a sweet one. You know what I'm saying? Yes, today is a seafood tour of Kingston. Yes, Kingston is the city of Jamaica, but I was surprised to find so much really nice seafood in Kingston. So I thought that I would do a little review on what I've done. You see me? So today, people, seafood in Kingston. So people, this is the first place that we are going to go to. It's called the Fish Spot. Yo, this is my favourite place. Since I reached here, I'm going to tell her, this is my spot. You see the front there? And that's the main sign there. And in here, they sell like shrimp soup, fish soup, conch soup. They do the pepper shrimp, which is 10-10. Proper 10-10. Some shrimp there. Very good for price as well. Get me? And they sell all like fresh seafood and stuff in there as well. And you can get like shrimp, curry shrimp and stuff like that, and burgers and all type of things. So yeah man, so your first spot. As you can see, steamed fish, yeah, things, burgers and soup. Drink selections. Not bad. It's a good drink selection still. Over there, there's all the fresh seafood and fresh shrimp and everything there, you know? This is the next place, people. It's called Ocean 7. Inside there, there's a place called Gloria's, and that's where they sell all the seafood. And the crabs in there are 10-10. That's the whole reason why we are here, to get the crabs, because we've got the rest of the food from Fish Spot. So we're right at the waterfront, and I'll show you where I'm going in a minute. I'll show you exactly where we are. So it looks like this is Gloria, people. Yeah, as you can see. This must be the lady who opened the restaurant. Yeah. It's just up here. As you can see, Gloria's Seafood City. That is it. We take the sea to the city. We're in Kingston. It's all about seafood. Crabs in here are 10-10. I tell you. So the restaurant is here, people. You can eat outside the restaurant here. And then right there, oh, look at that. Beautiful, right on the waterfront. Sun is just a bee. Yeah man, it's all about seafood today, people. Kingston. That's one thing I want to show you, you know, even if we're in the city, still get seafood. Look at that. Wow. See the airport right over there. So what we're going to do is we're going to get all the food together and then sit down on the waterfront there. Yeah, that is it. So all over here, people, is all this is downtown Kingston, but so downtown Kingston is quite a rough part, but there's like a business part of it, which is the front part of this. All like this big, it's like a big block. It goes right round, and there's like a lot of banks and businesses and stuff like that, right on the waterfront. So yeah, it's like a uptown part. It's like an uptown part of downtown. Yeah. That is it, people. It's a bit windy down here, but trust me. See these crabs? 10-10. The bammy there. Pepper shrimp. Full of Scotch bonnet and yeah. And then you've got the shrimps in there. Same way. Oi, oi. It's a good look. That is it. All right, people. I'll start with pepper shrimp. The juice is 10-10. Peppery beer flavour. So nice. You just want to eat the shell. You don't want to lose none of it. I'll tell you the truth. By me, always good to go with seafood. And this is the shrimp soup from the fish pot. Full of flavour. 10-10. 10 out of 10. You got your vegetables in there as well. Pumpkin and cho-cho. See there? And then, last but not least, crab there. And these crabs, the shell's not too hard, so you can just bite it up the same way, doing the little legs. Yo, these are different. I swear to God, these are different. The flavour, the garlic, the spice. I swear, these crabs here are the best food I've had since I've been in Jamaica this time. Seafood. Look where we are. Don't get best, man, people. Pepper shrimp, crabs. Look at that. The way they prepare it as well. It's like easy, so you can just snap it. You can go in. I hope everybody enjoyed the episode. Short but sweet today. But remember, I am back in the UK now. I've been really busy with music. If you haven't seen everything that's going on, just go check out my Instagram and my TikTok. I'm trying to keep you lot updated as much as possible. And I feel like we're there at the moment. So, moving forward, we're going to continue with season 11. We're still in season 11. I'm going to put a lot more work into the next few episodes, so you're going to get some really good episodes the next few weeks. So make sure the notification bells are on, and big up yourself, people. Oi, oi. Greetings, tell me how you're feeling. It's the big up section. You don't know where to go, people. Leave a comment in the comment section for your chance. Oi, welcome to the big up section, people. Just make sure you do the right thing and press that like button if you haven't already. Get the video moving and subscribe if you haven't already. You don't know where the thing set, man. Big up section. Today's big up Conte KST. He says, you deserve all the hype you are working towards. Really polarizing off the first impression, but ain't no such thing as bad publicity. Keep believing in yourself. You're on the right path. Big up my G. Yeah, look, everyone knows me already, man. I don't even need to explain it, but I seem to win people over in the end. You know what I mean? And big up AJ Venomous 01. Says, by far, Cook and Vibe is my favourite. If you release more similar to the style and beat, you'll go far. Although I do like the raw stuff too. Cook and Vibe brought me to this channel. That is it, my G. Listen, people, I'm going to be releasing a mixtape towards the end of the year. And then I'm going to be dropping another mixtape at the beginning of the year. And the mixtape at the end of the year is going to be called One Style. So it's just going to be like one style of like the drill kind of stuff. And then I'm going to drop another mixtape of more the dancehall stuff, more like Turn Red and stuff like that. So yeah, man, just do the right thing. Stay tuned. I've got a very big announcement to drop this week. So I'll let you know probably on Thursday's episode. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.